everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very common issue in Shopify stores that many merchants don't notice at first, but it quietly increases your costs over time. I'm talking about duplicate or split orders. This usually happens when a customer places an order, then realizes they forgot something and places another one right after. Now you have 2 or even more separate orders going to the exact same address. So what does this mean for your business? It means you're paying for 2 shipments instead of 1. It also means more work for your fulfillment team and a higher chance of mistakes. So the question is, can we merge those orders? The answer is yes, and this is where Shopify Flow comes in. What we want to do here is detect these duplicate orders and tag them. Once they are tagged, you can use that tag in your shipping platform or ERP system to decide whether to combine them into one shipment. So let's walk through how this works in a simple and practical way. First, you create a new workflow in Shopify Flow. You can either use Sidekick to generate one for you, or set it up manually. In this case, we'll go step by step so you understand the logic behind it. We start with a trigger. Every time a new order is created, the workflow runs automatically. Then we add an action to retrieve order data. Here, we are basically asking Shopify to look for other orders from the same customer. We only care about orders that are still unfulfilled and created within a recent time window, like the past 24 hours. There's a query involved here, but you don't need to remember it. I've included the exact query in the blog, so you can just copy it from the link in the description. Once we have that list of orders, we add a count step. This simply checks how many matching orders exist. If there's only 1, we stop. If there is more than 1, that's when things get interesting. Next, we compare the shipping details. This helps make sure we are only grouping orders that are actually going to the same place, not just from the same customer. If everything matches, we apply a structured tag to the order. This tag is what your team will use later to identify which orders belong together. After that, we loop through the matching orders and apply the same tag to each of them. This way, all related orders are grouped consistently. So what does this mean for your day-to-day operations? Instead of manually checking orders, your team can simply filter by this tag and quickly decide which orders to combine before shipping. It saves time, reduces shipping costs, and makes your fulfillment process much more organized. One thing to keep in mind is that Shopify does not merge orders automatically. This setup is about giving your team better visibility and control, which is usually the safer approach in real operations. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Shopify tips. See you in the next one.